Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel. This is Desert Empress. I hope everyone is ready for that full moon in Capricorn this weekend. Let me know if you've been feeling it in the energy. Capricorn energy could be bringing up some karmic energies to the surface, okay, or in your environment, so just be mindful of that. I have definitely been feeling that type of energy in my surroundings. So we're going to jump in and do a quick energy check-in for you, Taurus, see what you need to hear. I will be pulling from my affirmation deck at the end of the reading as well, so stick around. If this does resonate, make sure you guys support, share, and subscribe. Divine guidance, Holy Spirit, angels, please give me a clear message for Taurus. What do they need to hear? Protect me while I channel these messages for Taurus. Thank you. What is happening? So the first card that fell is the Three of Wands. And you have the High Priestess. And the Eight of Wands is at the bottom of the deck. So Taurus, you might be waiting for your ships to come in regards to something, and I feel like your intuition is telling you that it's coming. Okay, could be some form of communication with the Eight of Wands at the bottom. You have the Two of Cups, the Eight of Cups, the Ace of Cups, a lot of cups here, a lot of emotions, Taurus, and the Ten of Pentacles. Wow. King of Swords. So yeah, I'm seeing here that your intuition's telling you that some form of communication is coming in, and you're just waiting for that. It's coming, Taurus. It's in regards to some type of soul connection here with the Two of Cups. It could be after someone walked away here from a connection, either you or them, Taurus, okay? And now there's this new beginning of love that's going to lead to some form of stability that wants to come in. Okay, some form of communication, potentially after a missed opportunity. So take it as it resonates, Taurus. Let's get you an affirmation message. Affirmation message for Taurus, Spirit. Thank you. Everything you need to get done is already inside of you. So yeah, very intuitive, Taurus. Just know that you have all the tools, okay? Listen to your intuition and let it guide you with this situation. All right, Taurus? So I hope that resonates. If it does, make sure you support, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next one. Have a good weekend, everyone.